Hello, I'm Lisnie Awalia Zahra. This is my story about learning English for one semester. Enjoy for watching!
Hello, I'm Lisnie Awalia Zahra. I'm 18 years old and now I'm studying at the University of Education Indonesia majoring in elementary school teacher education. But my campus is not at UPI Bumi Siliwangi but in Tasikmalaya. It doesn't feel like it's already semester 2 and it's still online. Very boring. But there are many things that I think are very challenging in this semester, especially in English course. The twists and turns that I went through in this second semester, I learned about English text in elementary school, then the 2013 English curriculum in elementary school, which revealed that English does not include input into learning in elementary school because it is considered only lazy. Then English skills and components such as speaking, listening, and editing. Yes, of course, editing this is a challenging thing for me because I was assigned to make an animation which I think is quite difficult. Especially for me who is still a beginner in editing, but even so, I feel proud of myself because at least I can make a storyline and of course can still speak fluently. While learning English, there are still many things I want to learn, especially in terms of speaking good and fluent English, then vocabulary in English and the pronunciation of every word. However, in delivering the material, I think it is quite easy to understand even though sometimes I feel confused. Because the lecturer explained using English, but that's okay because from there I learned to understand the meaning of every word he says and I can conclude the material that has been given. I hope learning English will improve speaking and listening and can be applied in the future. And I hope my score is A, sir. I hope to get an A because I have carried out all the learning series in this course and I have also completed the assignment given very well according to my abilities. I also always score like assignment on time and are always present in learning. And lastly, I want to say thank you very much to Mr. Erwin as an English course lecturer who has provided very useful knowledge during this semester. And for your information, this is my last assignment in English course and of course, this is an increasing challenge for me. Even so, I enjoy it.
Okay, maybe that's all my story about learning English for this semester. Thank you for attention, enthusiasm to live in semester 3. Bye-bye!